heading up to Arkansas for a quick little trip. So I just threw it together. It's a birthday moment. My mom's birthday was on the 19th. It's like the 22nd or 3rd. It's the 20-something. So going up, today's Friday, hang out with my mom on Saturday, driving home on Sunday. Figured I'd stop, camp on the way, and make a little video up. Going to McFerrin Point outside of Compton. Gonna camp out tonight. Should be some good stargazing tonight and sunrise in the morning. My mom's supposed to come meet me in the morning for the sunrise. Anyways, I'm gonna be there. You're gonna be there. We're gonna be there. We're gonna see some cool stuff. It's gonna be dope. So yeah, let's roll. See you up there. Holla. Peace. Gas stop. Stopped here. I don't know what it's called, but I think it is like a Hillbilly Burgers or something like that. I've never had one of their burgers, but I've heard good things. I'm not getting one this time either. Just got gas. Now I head up that way. See you that way. Holla. And boom. I haven't made it. Parked here. The road's here. It goes that way. And McFerrin Point is that way. Through here somewhere. There's no official trail. It's a bushwhack, actually. You just kind of go that way through the bush. Follow that bluff. Anyways, peace. See ya over yonder towards McFerrin Point. Also, another thing. I've never been here during the summertime. So it might be gnarly out there. I don't know. Alright, so spider already. Anyways, yeah, right as you pop into the woods, there's trail. It's not that unknown of a location. There's just no official trail to it. It's pretty. Already. Sick. So wear your pants and spray down with permethrin. It kills the ticks. Oh, see you out there.
out to the point. Stoked. Ooh, and the sunset's starting to pop. Let me get out to the end so I can catch the sun going down. I've seen worse. Looks pretty cool. I'm gonna shoot a little time lapse of it. Chill for a second. Check it out. Watch this. I think I found a better spot. Let's go get it. Partially set up on the hammock way up yonder. Look at it. Look at it. That's great. Anyways, I'm almost set up over there. I just couldn't do work while this was this. So I'm about to make some dinner. I got me what the damn thing is called? Mountain house. I got a mountain house. Italian steak and peppers or something like that. Anyways, about to cook that up and eat before that was done. I'll probably see y'all. Okay, so it's the morning and the sun is rising. It's getting cool out there and Mom made it. She made it. So, yep, we're gonna watch sunrise, hang out, probably sip some coffee, and then we gotta get on with our day because we got things to do, people to see, stuff like that. Camp was pretty terrible last night. I think it was just because the wind was whipping all night long. It wasn't cold or anything by any means. The wind actually felt good, but it was blowing so hard that I think it kept waking me up literally all night long. But, oh well, that happens. Still feel good, still feel rested, ready for a day. So, we're gonna watch this. I'm gonna run, find a good spot for a time lapse of the sunrise, and yep. By the way, this is where I camped last night. This spot, because it's a great spot. I've camped here before. Hammocks always smile. Makes you happy. I think this might be a good one right here. Time lapse. Watch this. Watch this. Watch. Okay, all right, here we go. Hold on, wait. What is it? Okay, I had to get you out of the tree. So, that was awesome, wasn't it? That was really cool. I hope you enjoyed that. We enjoyed that. Gotta get my goodies here together and my stuff's there together and get on down, get out of here. So yeah, this trip was short, it was awesome, and yeah, I'll either see you next trip or see you further down the trail. Might see something cool out there. have it. Done. We're out. Mom, scale of 1 to 10. How was the sunrise?
Oh, 10.
10. You got a 10. I'll see you next trip. Peace. Oh, yeah, don't forget, get out more, y'all. Peace.